Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, and tonight we're going to talk about support and resistance and what is premium and what is discount. So first things first, what is support and what is resistance? Their meaning are the same. It is generally the region from where the price rejects. So if the price is moving higher, it rejects from a similar point 2 or 3 times, it creates as a resistance level. And if the price is moving lower and if it bounces back from the same region or level 2 or 3 times, it is as a support. So this is a support and this is a resistance. This is resistance and this is a support. This is what the definition of support and resistance is in the books. But this can be a lot pain in the ass if I be frank with you. Let's remove this from the charts and now let's see the price action in real life, because no matter how many book concepts are there, the things which work in real life are real. Okay. Now, if you say in the hindsight, we can say that there is a support resistance level there. We can see a support level region here. Then there is resistance. Okay, let's just squeeze the chart a bit so we can clearly make support and resistance levels. Now there's a lot of resistance here. Okay, there is kind of a bit resistance in this region. Then let's see the bottom support levels. Okay, one level there, one level here, right? Price action has bounced back from the same level from a long time. A lot of region here too, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But do you understand what's happening here? You're just disrupting your charts. I mean, come on, fuck's sake. Even if you are here, how would you know that the price will move that much only and price will respect your support and resistance? Price actually slotted here, doesn't act as a resistance here. The price actually slotted this region as well, didn't act as a resistance here. How the fuck will you know? How the fuck will you know that it is correct or not? What actually is the meaning of support and resistance? Why does the price have to go to the same point where it started? Why? Because basically, you know what I said. If the price goes at the same point where it started, again and again, that creates a support level or resistance level. This is a support level, right? That's what I'm saying here. Why does price have to go to the same region again and again? You need to ask yourself, right? Let's remove these methods from the chart and explain to you guys what is the actual meaning of support and resistances and what do we call them. Now, here, we know the basic definition of the market maker is he goes against us. That is, when we have to buy, he will sell. And when you have to sell, he will buy from us. So, let's take an example of a price moving upward. If a price is moving upward, let's have two sides. This is people, which is us, in a way. The dumb people, which are us, in a way. And this is market maker. My little market maker here. Now what is happening when the price is going higher? As the price is going higher, we'll see green candles, fucking green candles all over the place. What happens when we see green candles? Let me make this larger, but yep. What happens when we see green candles? When we see green candles, we are programmed in such a way that when we see green candles, we'll buy. We have to fucking buy. That's what we are programmed for. So we'll fucking buy. We'll fucking buy. We'll fucking buy as the price is moving high. If we are buying, who the fuck is selling? Market maker is selling. Market maker is selling. Market maker is selling. Now tell me one thing. If the market maker is selling to you a contract at this level, when the price has moved so much higher, he's at a negative position. He's on a loss, right? Someone has to lose the money or someone has to make the money. One man's hell is the other man's heaven, right? But the market maker is not going home without winning money, right? So who is losing here? Who has to lose it? It's us who has to lose. This is the point. When the price has moved higher, this is like you will actually start buying majorly from this region. And you won't close your trade because we believe that we should be making billions or millions on single trade rather than closing the trade. That's what the belief is. That's why you won't close your trade. Now, what happens? When the market maker pushes the price higher, he's selling and selling and selling. And then he creates what we call as accumulation of traders. Remember, in the first video, we talked about this. Accumulation of orders. And then reverses the price back. So what is happening now? Keep it here. What is happening now? When the prices are accumulating, he's selling again, he's selling again, he's selling again. You are buying again, you are buying again. People are dumb. People are buying again. Cool? Now, what is happening? And why does it has to go to the same point again? Because remember, he has started his intention from here. He sold you first time here. So he has to go to the same region to close this trade at a 0% loss. He closes the minimum or the least trade on a 0% loss, and then he closes all his highest orders on the lowest point possible at larger profits. Are you understanding it? Are you understanding it? What is happening is he's closing his lower trades on a 0% loss, and he trades at the highest point possible on lowest price so that he can get maximum profit. Do you understand the business? Are you understanding it? This is the model. That's why he has to go to the same level, and then he starts accumulating the price again. And what happens is now, tell me what is happening now. Tell me. It went lower, it accumulated. What happened? As it was going lower, people were getting liquidated, and as people are getting liquidated, that means their order is getting sold. The order is getting sold. People lost their money, and then people start thinking that, okay, that was a fake out, or that was some shit, and now the market is going downward, and this is where people start selling again. People start selling, and the market maker starts buying. Market maker is buying. I mean, oh shit, I don't know why I'm writing market maker. Sorry for that. Market maker is buying. Now he's buying, he again pushed the price higher to a level where he started the intention. And that's how support and resistances are created. There's the actual meaning of support and resistances, because he has to go to the same level to create to cut his trade on 0%, because he's not taking loss. He's here to make money, right? This is the model. Let me clear the charts. Let me create this madness. All right. If you think I'm lying, let's get back to an example. Yeah, we are back with an example. Market maker, the price was moving straight. This is the region where he starts his intention. Come on. Let's ignore it for a while. Now what happens? The price moves higher. He starts accumulating the price, but people are not buying much. People are not buying yet. There's not much of a volume if you check it. Come on, check it. There's not much of a volume. People are not buying much. So what he does is he moves the price more higher. It starts accumulating again. Now check the volume. Now you fucking bastard, check the volume. Huh? Check it. Fucking so hard, so huge of a volume here. So what has happened here? As the price is moving higher, people were buying. People were buying. People were buying. People were buying. Market maker was selling, market maker was selling, market maker was selling. Then he was accumulating his sell orders at the highest point possible in the chart. And then he fucking did a stop and rise, dropped the market. The same region where he started the intention, which was here. The same region. Look at it. Look at how perfection it is. It just entered and then fucking snapped it back again and goes higher. That's how the market works. He accumulated his order at the highest price possible, and then he dropped the market, and then he closed his position at the highest price. I mean, the highest profit possible. That's how it works. And this is the concept of premium and discount. Imagine a candy bar. Just if its price is 20, okay, imagine a candy bar. Now the price. Imagine if someone is selling at a 25. Will you buy it? Will you buy it at 25? You won't, right? Then why did you buy it from the market maker? The price was going straight, and then the price starts moving higher. And when the price moves higher, we have the psychology of starting to buy. And we start buying it at a higher price. But you should not buy. You wouldn't buy a candy bar at $20, right? Because the original price is $20. You won't buy it at $25. You have to sell it. You sell at a premium, and you buy at a discount. Discount is lower prices. Imagine if someone's giving you a candy bar at $15. That means you have to buy. But eventually what happens? When the price drops, we start believing the price is dropping and it's a bear market and fucking reversal shit and bullshit crap, I don't know what else. And we start selling. He starts selling, he starts buying. Because he knows the rule. Buy at the lowest price possible and sell at the highest price possible. That's his business model. You understand the concept of premium and discounts, because we are going to talk a lot in the language of premium and discounts on the levels. Also, we don't call it support and resistance, we call them levels, because that's where the intention started, or stop points. We have different terms of calling them, because that's how the market makers call them. They don't call them at support and resistance, bro. Come on. Market maker has the knowledge what you have, but he doesn't call it that way because they have different terms. They have actual meaning. This is the science behind trading. This is the actual meaning of support and resistance. May the knowledge have served its purpose. In the end, I'll just say, check out the description for our website. If you click on the link, you will reach somewhere like this. You can join any of the tier to be our members for the private masterclass sessions and the guided streams, which I will literally do for you guys only, like for the private members. And then also the YouTube gang, there will be free learning sessions and